How to generate traffic using MSN Ad Center. There are many different types of marketing you can do to get traffic to your website. Pay-per-click PPC is well known to be one of the more successful techniques you can use to get immediate results. Most marketing methods require you to do a great deal of work before you get started seeing traffic. However, PPC is different. Yes, it does cost money to get started, but it's one of the few methods that gives you traffic to your site on the same day that you do start. PPC is the process of paying for your ad to show up when people search for a particular keyword. Your ad will show up in a separate area from the organic results, but it will be prominently displayed. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you pay a fee. This is where the pay-per-click name comes from. You'll start out by creating an account within the MSN Ad Center. The next step is to pick up the keywords you want to start with. This step is crucial. You have to decide how much you're willing to pay for each click to your site. There will probably be many keywords that you'd like to use, but their cost is simply too high. Don't be tempted. It's usually better to start out with keywords that are less expensive and then build your campaign up as you begin to have success. The trick to succeeding with PPC marketing is to analyze your results. Some words may get a lot of clicks but no conversions. You should drop those. When you find words that are getting a lot of conversions, you should increase the budget on those words and find other similar words to start targeting. PPC can be a great marketing method if you have the budget to get started and the willingness to analyze the results and adjust your campaigns.